to Successful Tradings, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Tradings. Successful Tradings.
Hello, welcome to Successful Tradings, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Tradings.
Hello, welcome to Successful Trading for this weekly trade alerts performance review. So every single week here we come and show you how the Successful Trading trade alerts they perform during the past week. So for the week starting on August the 21st through September the 4th, these are the overall results, right? So could I put this in presentation mode and show you, hopefully it's still capturing this. Yeah, over here. So the week of the 31st, we grabbed the day. So what's the average move per trade this day? 10.1%, folks. Yeah, the markets, if you traded between the 31st of August and September 4th, you went into a market. There was the best of time where everything was bullish from Monday through Wednesday, and then there was a worst of time when everything was bearish. But for us, we make money in both directions. Yeah, so you may have seen, and we're gonna be posting the wins by some of our traders. May that be Mr. B, may that be Mr. Juice. Oh my goodness. Especially one specific sector that really worked great on Thursday. We're gonna show it to you after. So on here, let's just go through the numbers here. Average move per trade is 10%, and we're gonna show you the specific. The so-called win percentage, that's what's in this column that's hidden there. So about that, so that's 96%. And for us here, we're in there. We only consider stock that move 4% or more in either direction, right, as a win, because for us we trade all options. So this number, my friend, this column could be actually anything that you like, could be much better. That's what we are telling you on here. So that bring over 15 weeks, that average is still at the same number, average 8%, folks, and there is no secret about it. If you have stock that are moving by this much in average, and we are trading weekly options, why? Because that's when our AI, the Successful Trading Trade Alerts AI, call for. What's going to end up at the end of the day is that you're going to have a lot of 10 baggers, and that's what we have been happening. So if you're either wondering about what type of subscription trade alerts you would like to subscribe to, wait until the end of this video. I may make you an offer about a subscription trade alerts that's you may not refuse, right? So I may make you an offer about a subscription trade alert that you may not refuse. Funny guy, no kidding. The standard deviation about 2% on this. Oh, the number of 50 baggers. Yeah. Oh my goodness. This was just Thursday and Friday. I'm gonna show you the chart, just the chart of the QQQs, and the number of 10 baggers. I have to be honest here first, guys. Yeah. I counted that it was how many? We were 35 yesterday, so I counted 6 on here. I am not so sure I counted all of them. Let's be honest, because what happened on Thursday, on Friday is literally that just the entire market went down. We're going to show you the chart. Also, that's good, an average of 2.7. So we were flattered. Our numbers are a little bit flattered or inflated this week because the market took a dive on Thursday and Friday. But hey, my friend, we trade what the market offers. Yeah, we cannot hide about it or feel bad about which type the market is giving us to trade. So I'm no apologies there, at least not from this guy. So as I'm struggling to get out of this, oh boy, okay, so the string just went dark on us, so we want to go to the next screen, yeah, and we cannot, so that's not good. Okay, let's me try to go this way. Okay, at least that's where I'll manage, but eventually I need to get out of this screen. So these are the individual stocks. So Nvidia went a 50 baggers. On the put side, because we are capturing, yes, it went up on the calls as well before it reversed. So on this put side, that trade gave 50 baggers. The 480 or 70 put, oh my goodness, just something. 80, we traded was 80 was a terrific trade. This week we made money on both sides on 80. Yes, I'm gonna show you that on the chart. So let me make a point of that. So in these trade alerts, you need to be prepared because during this review, typically we will say that the side call or bullish, that's some calls or puts, call or bullish or bearish, that work the most in the trade alerts review. We pick one of those sides to say, oh, this is how much money you have made. But some of these stuff, Nvidia, Etsy, yeah, Microsoft, JD, or was it AMD? These four at least, you made money on both sides. So meaning you are paying for one one trade alert service, and you end up actually in a trade alert service that wins on both sides. This is not my first time to say it, but it was really exaggerated this week by wish that we saw. So we took advantage of that, and overall, that's where we are seeing the numbers. These numbers here, they're just comparing what the system was kind of historically expecting, yeah, down or up versus what was achieved, and hence for us, the cross mark is if it doesn't hit 100% of what was predicted. Gilead and B1, but even B1, oh my god, making money on this on Friday, yeah, on the puts, 120 puts. I traded those. They were nice. They were very, very nice. Okay. Oh, thanks God I got out of this presentation mode. That will teach me right. So very quickly on here. So did we give all the numbers? Yeah. So hopefully we give the numbers. Number of 50 baggers, 4 so far over the last 5 weeks, folks. You see a trend here, and 41 because there were just too many. A lot of stocks were popping up on the downside. So let's show. We promise you chart of what? Nvidia, Etsy, and QQQ, and maybe Microsoft as well on there, because those were the highlight. And we're going to show you the traders as some of the wins by our traders. So this is QQQ, but before we go to QQQ, could I show you, let's say with Nvidia? Yeah, we're gonna look at the 15-minute for the entire week. Do we want to play that on as we replay? This is how Nvidia went. So we are, the 31st is here, right? So this is the 31st. We started the week at what? 227. So meaning you were trading calls all the way to the second. Yeah. A second, then it went sideways. So meaning this gap up here, definitely for the bulls from 550, guys, $30 gap up. This is, now let's look at the close here. 553 close on Tuesday, folks. You wake up in the morning, the stock is trading at 588. Amazing. Yeah. Amazing. So that's what you saw on here. This is what we are showing you here in where's Nvidia here? Yeah, so Nvidia 16% as we are started. That's the move. This is that move. Yeah. But my friend, this is what happened in option. As the week passes by, data take into effect, right? So put from this point to this here, they paid more. So going from 573 to 470, $100 move Nvidia. This is not the first time Nvidia is doing this. Yes, yeah, folks. This 50 bagger here, we have seen a 30 baggers on a 2-day time frame on the puts again, and then it recovered. Yeah, remember that? A few weeks back, I think it was June or something. So for us, we keep a mental note type of this. So when for us we are trading this, we know stock that have the potential to move. And with the strategies that we're gonna show you at boot camp. When is the boot camp? Monday. I still haven't. I need still to prepare for that. So, hey. Sorry, let's reset on here. In this review, in this trade alert, successful trading trade alerts review, that's what this is every Saturday. We are showing you some of the stock that's made money this past week, and Nvidia is definitely one of them. On the bullish side on here, Monday through opening on Wednesday, and on the bearish side, especially Thursday through Friday. So that was that one. Very quickly on here, let's go to the next one. Etsy. Made money on both sides, folks. Yep. So the 31st, same thing. I'm not kind of the same pattern, but a gap up on all the way to 129. Man, these were nice because I've been expecting this move. Last week it recovered, right? So I'm gonna show you the daily chart as well to see exactly how it happened. So up and then down. So for me, when I did trade it the most was on Friday here. This move, because within a matter of an hour, look what happened, folks. First of all, we gap up. But even if you start trading at 114, look, in a matter of an hour, the first hour on Friday, on expiration day, meaning all the options are cheap. Yeah, bang. Yeah, so that's what happened. On the daily chart, let's show you the daily chart. We didn't do that on the other one. A lot of stock broke support this past week. Yeah, So for us, remember the previous week we closed on here, we were at the Bollinger Band. Yeah, it was bearish. Then for 2 days, for 3 days, actually this is Monday, the 21st, September the 1st, September the 2nd is Wednesday, and then this sharp move on here, folks. The way that we trade this stock in our system is definitely, we repeat it, the successful trade alerts, easy for me to say, you need to be prepared to make money in both sides. We have seen that consistently. So, and money on both sides we did make on QQQ, for instance. Oh my goodness. Let's, this does, yeah, the daily chart doesn't do it a service, because let's take a look at the 15 minutes or 30 minutes, whatever. This is how the week went, folks. So from the 31st, we are ramping up, but oh boy, how many? Let's actually look. It doesn't matter which way you do it. It doesn't matter. On the hourly, it doesn't matter. I just want to see how much did we move from on the bullish side. So we went from 293 to a high of 10 points. Yeah, from 303 all the way to 272. So puts pay more just because the move was bigger, but the move is bigger because of which that we send pre-markets on Friday. Yeah? When the market goes up, it takes the stairs. Taking the stairs is more difficult than taking the elevator when they're going down. This is the elevator here, folks. Thank you, Mr. Wayne. Thank you, Mr. Wayne. That's the analogy that Mr. Wayne gave us. So yes, folks, in summary of this trade alerts review today on Saturday, September the 5th, the takeaway is that the successful trade alerts are continuing to be big winners and being able to adjust in market conditions. Let's show you a proof of that, a vivid proof of that by showing you some of the trade by some of the traders on here in our Discord room. So in the Just Winner section, Mr. B. Okay, actually, they should already be pinned. These are the trades. So, Mr. B, these are, I'm going to think that they were all trade from Friday or Thursday, some of trade Thursday in there, but Mr. B posted them today this morning. Tesla puts 300%, not too shabby. And notice the price of the option, folks. Obviously, Tesla is the highest initial. So this means that per contract, he's buying a contract at $1.87. He sold it at $7.69. Twitter, 15 cents to $1. Folks, come on. These are puts. Facebook puts 25 cents to 66 cents, 164%. FCX, he knows. Mr. B, ask Mr. B, folks, if you come across him, what got him into this trade? He will give you green insight. Like, you can be making money on FCX on a consistent basis, week in, week out, by just playing a simple strategy. Mr. B has mastered it. Yes, here you go. Microsoft puts, Apple puts 840%, by the way. This is, by the way, a 10-bagger is 900% win, right? By definition. Remember that, because sometimes we say 1,000%, but just we want to run things. But technically, by definition, you can go on Google and Google it, is 900%. In any case, Apple, 529% win. But for me, focus on the price of the option, meaning you can trade the system today, folks. Yeah? You are buying contract, unlike some other services. I will not mention the names here. They shall remain nameless. Look at the type of contract that the traders are, how they are making these big percentages. Mr. Juice, Mr. Juice, aka Mr. Thomas. July trader of the month, folks. Look at this. And this was the day before. So multiple stock, puts and calls, not just one direction. We don't do one direction here. Yeah? Whatever. Mr. Aravin. Look at this, folks. B1. Mr. Juice again, early this week. So it has been a week for Mr. Juice. This is the July trade of the month, and this is how he's starting February. Lord behold, but Mr. B, look at this. Nvidia, 620% win. Mr. Wayne, 846. Okay, the list goes on and on and on and on. So if you are sitting right now, you're watching this video, you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, first of all, subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we do a pre-market show, second to none. But don't stop there. Don't stop there. This is my offer. Go right now to successfultrading.com and find a way in the next 48 hours to register for September 7 bootcamp, because we give you a free month with coaching. You come join our trading room, our Discord room, to be one of these guys. One of these traders, because not just guy, when I use guys. So if you are a lady trader, don't feel like, oh, this is a group of just, no, men. No. We have plenty of successful ladies on here. I mean, by now, the one of which we feature on here on this very channel, YouTube, was Space Trade. Fantastic stuff. Yeah, she has been busy lately, but I spoke with her. She's gonna be our trading camp. Yeah, our boot camp, rather, our trading boot camp, if you will. So you will be able to interact with her if you so will. You have seen her gains. We have shown them here many times. Okay, time to close. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We thank you for that. Share with your friend in social media. Go tell a fellow trader that, hey, there's a boot camp on September the 7th. You would like to be part of it. You will like to be able to trade the Successful Trading trade alerts, such that you are featured in these reviews of the Successful Trading trade alerts. Until then, we wish you a great and relax despite the circumstances Labor Day weekend if you are stateside. If you are not, wherever you're watching from, we appreciate you, and we will catch you on our next episode. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.